So what we have here is a pair of Allen Edmonds Hersey model shoes. They've seen better days. Now the job called for a sole guard and heel, and while I was working on it, I noticed that the welt was pretty loose on some areas. So I took off the leather soles, I stitched up the welt areas that were loose, replaced it with new leather, and then added a sole guard to it. Now the job was just sole guards and heels. Unfortunately, my mistake that I missed some of the areas the welt was coming apart. So this is one job that it was a kind of a gift to the customer, so I'll let them know that we gave an upgrade to leather soles, which acted as a base to attach the thin rubber soles to, and cleaned and conditioned and dyed the uppers, and I think they turned out pretty good. I hope you like my video. Thank you.